so instead of the old silicone trick, you have 3 options to keep your HVAC lines looking sharp. Let me know which one you prefer. First is Airex. This is my favorite because it's a complete system. They have this nice plastic outlet cover and it seals up tight against the house. But they also provide a kit that includes a wrap that goes around those HVAC lines. It protects it from the sun so they don't look like complete trash after a few years. Next is Quick Flash. It's a slick looking setup, but it has to be installed during construction. You can see it's one piece and solid as hell. I like the look of this one because it doesn't really stand out, which is what you want when it comes to your HVAC lines coming out of your house. The only downside is there's no wrap. But if you like this style, maybe you just hit up Airex, use their wrap with the Quick Flash outlet, and then you'll get the best of both worlds. And then you have Old Trusty. I don't even know what the hell this is called, but it's better than a gob of silicone. It's pretty common on these new builds, but it's definitely not my favorite. And honestly, it just looks like some sheet metal that's made into a little roof that protects the penetration from the refrigerant lines, but essentially that's all you're trying to do. So there's nothing wrong with it. I just wanted you to be aware that this style does exist. Now, if any of this is a concern for you and you want to say when you're having your house built, make sure you ask your builder what they plan to do with those HVAC lines that are coming out of your house. You may be able to choose which style they install. Now, this has you all hot and bothered and you're wanting to upgrade your current house. Airex is the only system I'm aware of that allows you to put a retrofit product on those HVAC lines that are coming out of your house without having to disconnect them at all. I'll put a link to Airex in the description if you want to check it out. So with all that, what is your style? Which one would you want to put on your house? And if you're building a house, I have a home building checklist that compiles everything I talk about in all my videos in a nice, neat, organized list. And it's growing like crazy. And every update that I put on that checklist, I send to you for free. So you buy the checklist and it grows in value over time. You can't beat that, right? So if you're interested in that, I have it over at builderbrigade.com.